Hello class, I've received a few questions about the short paper that's coming up due soon. Wanted to provide some clarifying comments about it. First of all, thank you to those who read the syllabus. You are correct in assessing that the description of the assignment is quite general. The other thing that I would point to in the syllabus, especially for those of you who haven't really taken a look at the syllabus yet, is to look at the grading rubric. I provide for all students exactly which categories will be graded in every assignment, and in particular the short paper has its own rubric. You'll see all the requirements there and ways to receive points. So let me talk about what, generally speaking, I'm looking for. I've described this as a personal reflection, and that's really a contrast. And maybe you'll notice this in my feedback to your forum posts. The forum posts aren't meant to be personal reflections. They're meant to be theological and ethical reflections. And so when I keep saying lean into theology and ethics, I'm kind of contrasting that with a personal reflection. The short paper, however, is meant to be a personal reflection for you to, for one, it's not a research paper because I don't think you need that stress right now. Save that till the end of the course. But secondly, I really want to know where you're at with the parallel reading and the rest of the readings for the course. You should focus on your parallel reading that you've selected, but integrate, of course, always integrate Kingian theology and ethics into your personal reflection. So I'll give you some advice. For a personal reflection, you can talk about how you react to things. Some of you have seen me comment on your forum posts. Thank you for your very personal reaction to the course material. I want you to lean into theology and ethics, but this is your opportunity to react personally, to talk about how it makes you feel, or how you compare it to your upbringing, or how you are trying to decide between your parallel readings ethical trajectory and a Kingian ethical trajectory, something like that. Alternatively, it could be personal for you in the sense that it impacts your understanding of your ministry context. So that's another way to apply the parallel reading. Basically, I want it to be personal. I want it to come from your experience, your mind and your heart, and to give you a chance to kind of sound off. All you really need to do is to adhere to the grading rubric and make sure you're paying attention to the categories in which I'll be assigning points. And I'm confident that you'll do well. So I hope that's clarifying. Make it personal, your own reaction, your ministry context, what's going on in your mind and heart. And have as the central subject material the parallel reading, while of course integrating the rest of the concepts, themes, and even some of the materials from the rest of the course. Okay, hit me up if you have any other questions, and thanks. See you soon.